everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, coming on back, all that great stuff. So a couple of months ago I did a I Follow Barefoot Contessa on the Food Network, and I really love the video, I really love the recipe, and I really love these I Follow videos. So a couple of days ago, or maybe last week, I was watching Food Network, and another chef that I really like to watch is Giada De Laurentiis, and she made this amazing lemon chicken video, a little different than what I have on my channel, but it still looked amazing and I wanted to give it a try and I wanted to follow it. So that's what I'm going to do today. So if you want to see how it all turned out, keep watching. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button and click on those notifications just so you know every time I upload a video, okay? So enough talking, let's get cooking. So Giada used one whole chicken and we're going to butterfly it, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean later in the video. We're going to zest and use the slices of 3 lemons. I'm going to chop some fresh rosemary and some fresh thyme. I love rosemary. If you've never cooked with rosemary, I highly suggest it. And I have some sea salt and some black pepper and some really good olive oil. Now before I butterfly the chicken, I went ahead and washed and pat dry my chicken. Now I know it's been suggested that you don't have to wash your chicken, but you guys, that's something that I always do. And if you choose not to, that's really your decision. But I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and grab my shears and begin cutting out the backbone of the chicken. Now that the back is completely out, I'm just going to take a knife and just cut near the top, and then you want to also take out the breastbone of the chicken so that it lays completely flat, just like that. So I went ahead and grabbed a grater, and now I'm going to zest 3 lemons. And if you've watched Giada, you would know that she loves putting lemon in her food. It really brightens up and makes your food taste really, really good. So I went ahead and chopped up my rosemary off camera, and now I'm just going to take some thyme leaves off the stem, and I'm just going to take my knife and run it through it and just make sure that I chop it up really fine. So Giada made a salty lemon rub for the chicken. So in a small bowl, you're just going to add your salt and also add your lemon zest. You're going to go ahead and add your chopped rosemary as well as your chopped thyme. And I'm just going to take my clean hands and just mix everything together. And I'm going to take those 3 lemons that I zested earlier and take a knife and just cut them into slices. I lined the sheet pan with some foil, and Giada went ahead and drizzled some olive oil on top just so that the chicken doesn't stick. She went ahead and lined up the lemon slices on the bottom of the pan, and this is what the chicken is going to cook on this bed of lemons. And this is what really drew me to this recipe. I thought, wow, that looks really, really good. So now you're ready to lay the chicken on top of the lemon slices. So now we're ready to season the chicken. So I'm going to take some sea salt and sprinkle some on the inside, making sure that it tastes really good. And I'm also going to take some of that lemon zest salty rub and add that inside the chicken as well. Now you're just going to flip over the chicken, making sure that the skin is exposed. And you just want to take the rest of your lemon zest and salty rub and massage it all over your chicken, and you can really begin to smell the thyme, especially the rosemary. You just know that this is going to be really, really delicious. So Giada left this part out. I went ahead and sprinkled some black pepper on my chicken because I just love pepper on my chicken. And at the end, she drizzled some olive oil on top of the chicken just so that it will get nice and golden brown as it bakes in the oven. So that looks amazing and delicious, and I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 450 degrees, and it's going to bake off for 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes of baking, this is what it looks like. It looks beautiful, it's golden brown, and I would even suggest that you just wait maybe 10 minutes just so that the juices can redistribute back into the chicken so that it stays nice and moist. And you can just cut it however you like. And when I saw Giada make this, I knew I really wanted to make it. It looks delicious. I thought it looked delicious, and it tastes even better. And the best part about it is that it bakes with the lemon, and it creates this delicious lemon gravy that you can add on top just to add to the flavor and the moisture. So we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up by clicking that like button. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know, and I will put Giada's recipe link in the description box down below. If you give it a try, please comment and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.